Today you will learn how to do Overdrive. Overdrive is a source from the public library where you can get free ebooks and audiobooks and videos even. We're going to go to the Stoughton Public Library homepage. We're going to go and scroll down over here on the side, right hand side, and go to Overdrive Download right here. I'm going to click on that. Wisconsin's Digital Library will come up. You're going to need to sign in for yours. I'm going to click sign in. And you're going to have to put in your library, which is Stoughton Public Library. We're part of the South Central Library System. And then you put in your library card number. And then if this is your own device, then you would click remember. If it's not your own private device, like a school device, then you would uncheck the box and click sign in. Okay, now I have some different collections here. I'm going to click, there's children's and teen here, but this is popular series titles for kids. So I'm going to click on that one. And there are any of them that show a gray book, that's an ebook. This is an audiobook. I'll say place a hold. Those are books that are already checked out. It's just like the library where there are some books available and some books not available. Junie B. Jones is available. This one's available. So I'm going to come back here. I thought that was kind of interesting. They were showing a lot of books. But we want to go to account and make sure you are browsing safely. So we're going to go to settings. We're going to go to ebooks, change it to 21 days. If you want a longer time to check out, it will be set at 7 days before when the book is deleted. Audiobooks, 14 days. Music is up to 14 days. And video is up to 7 days. So if you want a shorter period, you can leave it at the other spots. But if you want a longer time to be able to read the books and look at the books, then you can do that. The next thing we need to do is change the level. So we want to go from juvenile to juvenile and click save. So these will help on your return. The books return just like you would return a book back to the library. This automatically takes the book and no longer makes it available to you. And it's available to the next person who may have it on hold or would like to check it out. I'm going to go back to menu. This is showing some of the new ebooks that are out there. So there are lots to choose from. So if I wanted to look and go, oh, this one looks good, I can sample it. Let's see what it looks like. And then I could start reading the book. And that would be a sample of it. I go back. I want to actually borrow it. I click on borrow. There's, if I want to go back to put it on my wish list, if I want to share it with social media, or if I want to do more, that's if I want to see more about the book. If I borrow this book, I can read it right now if I have internet access, or I can download it onto my device and then read it later at another time. Okay? It talks that there is if you download the title, return button will disappear. Learn about other return options here. If the title is available to renew, the renew button will appear within 3 days of your title's expiration date. And you can renew it. If I just want to return it, I can click on return right there. If you have any questions, there is also a help series to help with different videos and things like that. To help you out. You can also always call the Stoughton Public Library at 873-6281 and set up an appointment to learn how to use ebooks more from them. Hopefully this is helpful to you, and there are lots of different devices that you can have this. There is also an app for the books and for the iPad and different Android tablets that make this very easy to use. So get out there and start reading. Hopefully you enjoyed this Overdrive screencast.